In your lesson 7, have a story circle time. Circle time. See, in this story, you are going to learn about a tribe. Tribe means, in olden days, a group of people are called tribe. Many, many years ago, there were hundreds of small tribes in America. See, tribe means in olden days, in forest and all, there may be tribe. In country also, some country also, they have different kinds of tribes. Likewise, in America, they have hundreds of small tribes. All are different, and all thought that it was the most important one. Their own tribe was the important one. They fought with other all, and all many times they were killed. See, nowadays there is war between two countries, isn't it? Likewise, the olden days this tribe fought one another. The result of this happened, population of the tribes decreased. There were one tribe named Sioux tribe. Sioux tribe. The chief of the Sioux tribe always wanted peace in their country. He invited all the other tribes to talk about how they can live peace. Because by war they are having fight all the time, and they are losing their people. So they had a group they had a meeting. A huge group of people gathered. Many tribes leader joined the meeting. So they thought that they was the important and they should be followed to speak first. So all thought that like that. All the leaders thought like that, and so everyone started speaking at the same time and shouted there, and again there started a fight. So this Sioux chief had an idea. He asked the whole group to make a large circle, and now they faced one another by holding the hand in a circle. They all facing one another, and at that time they felt that they are equal. They all are facing one another. They all are in the same position like this. He said that everyone who wanted to say something would be heard. If you are speaking, others have to be heard. That isn't it? Likewise, the chief told that it did not matter which tribe was them. They, but they have one rule. That means the person who speak must have the chief's stick in his hand. So the stick was passed from one by one, like a ball passing game. They passed the stick. They all took turns to speak. Because there were many leaders who got the stick, they started speaking. So all got the chance to speak. The chief also said that while we are in a circle, everyone are treated same. All bad feelings were put aside, and each one had a chance to speak his mind. So the meeting lasted for many days there. So after this, every time they passed the stick and spoke. So the meeting lasted for many days. After the meeting cancelled, they went back to their homes. But the meeting was over, but their idea, that means idea of a circle, was in their mind. They understood how important is to respect different people's point of view. Likewise, you also must respect everyone's point of view. Okay, because in our country there are different kinds of people. Sometimes their way of life is different. Their eating habit is different. They have different religions. They look and dress differently. But that is not a matter. It is not right to that everyone have the same look, same dress, or behave like us, everything. But it is not right to think that everyone should follow our way of life. If we do not show respect to those who are different from us, they will feel hurt and angry. That we cannot live peace in and harmony with one another. So we can earn respect only by accepting differences and giving respect. So see, look your hand. You are having 5 fingers. Is all the fingers are in same? All the fingers length are same? No. Width? No. Every fingers are in different. So in your own body you are having a different fingers in your own hand. Likewise all the peoples differ, so don't ignore them, accept the difference and give respect and take respect. Okay children, okay, that's all your lesson 7. Keep in mind. Children, now let's read our 7th lesson. Lesson 7, sometimes different, sometimes not. See, we are having a story circle time. Many years ago, there were hundreds of small tribes in America. Each tribe felt that it was the most important one. They fought with one another all the time, and many people were killed. As a result, the population of the tribes decreased. The chief of the Sioux tribe wanted peace. He invited all other tribes to talk about how they could live in peace. See, this word is Sioux. Don't think that Sioux means it has another pronunciation. It was pronounced Sioux. Sioux, okay? A huge group of people gathered. Each tribe's leader felt that he was the most important and should be allowed to speak first. So everyone wanted to be heard first. Everyone started speaking at the same time, shouting and even fighting. The Sioux chief had an idea. He asked the whole group to make a large circle. Now they all faced one another. They were all equal. He said that everyone who wanted to say something would be heard. It did not matter which tribe he was from, but he could speak only when he held the chief's stick. The stick was passed from hand to hand. They all took turns to speak. The chief also said that while they were in a circle, everyone would be treated alike. All bad feelings were put aside, and each one had a chance to speak his mind. The meeting lasted for many days. Then they all went back to their homes. They took back with them the idea of a circle. They understood how important it is to respect at different points of view. An American Indian story retold. Okay children, did you all understand the story? Okay, good. Dear children, this is your lesson 7 notes. Your lesson 7 topic, sometimes different, sometimes not. Sometimes different, sometimes not. First Roman letter, choose the correct answers. First one, no dash people are alike. A1, B2, C3. 2, TWO2, no two people are alike. Second one, we should respect dash another. A1, B2, C3. 1, ONE1, we should respect one another. Third one, there are dash kinds of people in our country. A same, B alike, C different. Different, DIFFERENT, different. There are different kinds of people in our country. Fourth one, it is not right to think that everyone should dash our language. A eat, B see, C speak, SPEAK, speak. It is not right to think that everyone should speak our language. Fifth one, we are all dash sharing the planet. A animals, B birds, C humans, HUMANS, humans. We are all humans sharing the same planet. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, many years ago there were hundreds of small tribes in America. Second one, the chief of the Sioux tribe. This is Sioux tribe wanted peace. Third one, the Sioux chief asked the whole group to make a large circle. Fourth one, the stick was passed from hand to hand. Fifth one, the meeting lasted for many days. Okay children, here we are not having match the following, so only choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Study thoroughly. Okay children.